Welcome to Natural Nostrums. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many men's health: prostate health. An enlarged prostate, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, can significantly impact quality of life, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like frequent urination and difficulty in starting or stopping urination. Understanding how to manage prostate health is essential for overall well-being, especially as men age. In this video, we'll explore one specific food that has shown promise in helping to shrink an enlarged prostate. Our goal is to provide you with informative and supportive insights, especially if you're looking for natural remedies to improve your health. Imagine being able to enjoy a delicious food that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also contributes to your prostate health. This isn't just about managing symptoms. It's about empowering you to take charge of your health in a natural way. Stay tuned as we uncover the potential benefits of this remarkable food, backed by research and expert opinions. Whether you're dealing with prostate issues or simply want to maintain your health, this information could be a game changer for you. Let's get started. Please make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. An enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a common condition that affects many men as they age. In fact, studies show that nearly 50% of men over the age of 50 experience some degree of BPH, and this number increases with age. The prostate gland, which is located just below the bladder, can grow larger and press against the urethra, leading to various urinary issues. Common symptoms of an enlarged prostate include frequent urination, especially at night, a weak or interrupted urine stream, and difficulty starting or stopping urination. Some men may also experience a feeling of incomplete bladder emptying, which can be quite uncomfortable. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life, making it essential to address prostate health early on. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe complications, including urinary tract infections or bladder damage. By understanding the signs of BPH and seeking appropriate treatment, men can improve their quality of life and maintain better overall health. In the following sections, we'll explore natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can help manage these symptoms effectively. Stay tuned for valuable insights that can empower you on your health journey. Diet plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health, and understanding this connection can empower men to make informed choices. Research indicates that certain foods can influence inflammation levels and hormone balance, both of which are vital for prostate function. A diet rich in antioxidants and healthy fats can help reduce inflammation, while excessive consumption of processed foods and red meats may contribute to prostate issues. Incorporating foods like tomatoes, which are high in lycopene, and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli can be particularly beneficial for prostate health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and walnuts also support overall well-being. On the other hand, it's wise to limit intake of dairy products and high-fat foods, as they may exacerbate prostate problems. Making dietary changes can be a powerful part of your health strategy. By focusing on a balanced diet filled with nutrient-dense foods, you can not only support your prostate health, but also enhance your overall vitality. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. In the next segments, we'll delve deeper into specific foods that can help shrink an enlarged prostate and promote better health. Stay tuned for practical tips and delicious recipes. When it comes to supporting prostate health, tomatoes stand out as the key food you should consider adding to your diet. What makes tomatoes so special is their high lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to numerous health benefits, particularly for the prostate. Lycopene helps reduce inflammation and may even inhibit the growth of prostate cells, making it a valuable ally for those dealing with an enlarged prostate. Scientific studies have shown that men who consume higher amounts of lycopene-rich foods, like tomatoes, have a lower risk of developing prostate issues. One study found that men who ate cooked tomatoes regularly had a significantly reduced risk of prostate cancer compared to those who did not. This compelling evidence highlights the importance of incorporating tomatoes into your meals. So, how can you enjoy more tomatoes in your daily diet? Start by adding fresh tomatoes to salads or sandwiches, or consider cooking them into sauces and soups. Roasting tomatoes enhances their flavor and increases lycopene absorption, making it a delicious option. You can also enjoy tomato juice or salsa as a tasty snack. By making tomatoes a staple in your diet, you're taking a proactive step toward better prostate health. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is both easy and delicious. Here are some practical suggestions to help you enjoy this powerhouse food in various ways. First, consider making a classic tomato salad. Simply chop fresh tomatoes, add diced cucumbers, red onions, and a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a refreshing side dish. You can also create a hearty tomato soup by simmering chopped tomatoes with garlic, onions, and vegetable broth, then blending until smooth. This comforting dish is perfect for any time of year. For those who love pasta, try a simple marinara sauce. Sauté garlic and onions in olive oil, add crushed tomatoes, and season with basil and oregano. Let it simmer for a rich, flavorful sauce that pairs perfectly with your favorite pasta. Don't forget about enjoying tomatoes raw. Slice them for sandwiches or burgers, or toss them into wraps for added flavor and nutrition. Experimenting with different tomato varieties can also enhance your meals. Heirloom tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and Roma tomatoes each offer unique flavors and textures. By incorporating a variety of tomatoes into your meals, you can maximize their health benefits while enjoying a range of delicious dishes. Happy cooking! In addition to dietary changes, several lifestyle modifications can significantly support prostate health. One of the most important factors is regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also improves overall well-being. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, which can include walking, swimming, or cycling. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as obesity has been linked to an increased risk of prostate issues. Hydration also plays a vital role in prostate health. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports urinary function. However, it's wise to reduce your intake of caffeine and alcohol, as both can irritate the bladder and exacerbate urinary symptoms. Opting for herbal teas or infused water can be a refreshing alternative. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Proactive health management allows for early detection and intervention, which can make a significant difference in your prostate health. Discuss any concerns or symptoms with your doctor, and stay informed about screenings and tests that may be appropriate for your age and health status. By combining these lifestyle changes with a focus on nutrition, you can take meaningful steps toward better prostate health. In summary, we've explored the significant role that tomatoes play in supporting prostate health and their potential to help shrink an enlarged prostate. With their high lycopene content, tomatoes are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet that can make a real difference in your well-being. However, it's essential to remember that maintaining prostate health requires a holistic approach. This includes not only incorporating beneficial foods like tomatoes, but also adopting a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, proper hydration, and routine checkups with your healthcare provider. By combining these elements, you can take proactive steps toward better health and improved quality of life. We hope you found this information valuable and empowering. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about health-related topics, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that supports your health journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.